Today I want to show you guys this remote control RC car. The brand sent it to me to make a video for you guys. This is absolutely very fun toy to play with. The kids like it. It has really cool features. As you can see, it turns 360. Very nice. It just does really cool stuff. It can go by itself as well, like this. You can see it will just go crazy, and it is really fun to play with. You can see I'm not doing anything. The remote is there. It's just going crazy by itself, just like this. It's doing really fun stuff, and once you want to play, you can just intervene. It will just work. So you can see the kids really like to play with it, and they just enjoy a lot, and they do crazy actions with it. You can see it can go any surface, rock, hardwood floor, no issues. As you can see, it is really fun toy. I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you for watching.